oftentimes in midwinter, or depending upon where you are in the world, and your weather doesn't necessarily have to be about weather. We all get into times in the year where we kind of get into a funk, like, yeah, not feeling it anymore. How do I get past this? How do I get over the hump? Well, you know what? You want to do some fun stuff. It can be little things. It can be like, purple hat day, or it can be, odd shoe day. We all know those, things. I'm not really a huge fan of pajama day because I don't get a lot done in my pajamas. So I try to keep it really simple, simple little things. But here's the key. I think we do too much on Fridays. So lately in my travels, I have seen that people are starting to do little things like this on Wednesdays. That makes sense. Because let's face it, you're going on Wednesday and it's going to be something different in the day, something a little fun. Maybe you're doing a little flash mob for the kids in the cafeteria. But if you're doing it on a Wednesday, it kind of makes Thursday and Friday actually feel good. So don't wait to do little things like that. Don't wait till Friday. Try it on Wednesday.